Welcome to Drawing with Vince Mancuso.
The hand. Okay, when dealing with the hand, what is the best shape that we can use to build the hand from? The square. It's perfect kind of shovel-like shape, creates the palm, and then you build the fingers by making a few modifications, like adding that little triangle on top of the square, and then building out the cylindrical digits for the fingers. You see how they're broken down. The first height, you take a third off and you use that to build the next digit, and then take a third off of that and you use it to build the tip. The middle finger aligns right in the center of the square. We are looking at the inside of the palm, so the flesh makes for pillows and very fleshy, soft texture. Now we're working on the outside of the hand, where everything is on the surface. The tendons are running into the wrist, and the more bony structures of the fingers are at the surface, so everything is more angular and hard. The thumb is attached to the side. It is at a 90 degree to the floor, to the ground. The fingers are parallel. And by that little triangular piece, you can see the natural arch of the fingers. Bones exposed in the knuckles. And you can see how the proportion of the hand breaks down to a 1-to-1 ratio. It's basically a square doubled, and you build your fingers and digits onto that square base. Now we're looking at the hand from a three-dimensional view. Its form, it's a wedge, so we have a square shape with the depth wider at the base and narrower at the tip, creating a bit of a wedge shovel, and the fingers become attached in the 1/3 variation per digit, and you build the construction of your hand. The thumb is perpendicular to the floor or perpendicular to the palm, while the fingers are parallel in terms of their position. When the hand attaches to the wrist, the upper part of the hand is below the wrist. The thumb is an add-on, so it actually adds to the width of the palm of the hand and the fleshiness. And if you go through that process, you can pose the hand in any position, maintaining accuracy to its proportions. Here you see the fingers parallel to the ground. The thumb is turned up to the 90 degree. Now an overhead view with a clenched fist. You see the bottom of the palm is hanging below the wrist. An under view of the palm of the hand with the fingers extended and turning into a natural spiral. If you remember these ideas, 1-to-1, the 1/3 digit per digit reduction, the square base multiplied by 2 for the fingers, the little triangle add-on which creates the arch, you start doing the work of being able to draw hands.